All right. Good afternoon, folks. Fred here of EE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors, Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada, YQT. Saturday, July 18th, 13:34 local time. Lots of smoke in the air again today. This afternoon, in fact, it's increased. We do have a breeze. It is quite windy. Winds are out of the west, northwest. So I take you for a quick walk over to the pond here, to the fountain. Using the SJ cam today, the magnetic mount on my chest here. So if you are bouncing around, that's the reason why. So it's been reported that there were an additional 7 fires yesterday after the thunderstorm we had that went through in the morning. So we're up over 130, I forget what it is now, 137 fires in our area. A number of them have merged. So the number may look like it's smaller, but it really isn't. Someone out walking their dogs. So let's just see what the temperature is here. I know humidity is still up, or it was up. So right now we're at 23 degrees centigrade. Winds are out of the northwest now at 18 kilometers per hour, gusting to 30. Barometer still up, which means no change in weather, like no storms predicted. But the humidity has dropped. It was 85% this morning. We're now at 58%. I don't see the geese and the babies. The babies have to be fair sized by now. Just check out the trails back here. So, got a long ways to go yet before we're out of the woods here. I think, like I said in my other video this morning, the rain gave a little bit of a reprieve, a little bit of respite to the firefighters, first responders. Just gave them a little bit of a break to have a breather. It didn't knock anything down, but it slowed it a little bit. But you get into those fires, they're extremely hot, and it doesn't take much for them to flare back up. You get this wind today, things dry out, and our temperatures are increasing again over the next couple days. In fact, I think today we're supposed to see a high 29. So let me just see if I can't walk you guys to the beaver dam. I'm curious to see just how much water is in the beaver dam. and if I get any ticks on me. But you can feel that warmth and that sun right now. Even though it's cloudy, fire cloud, overcast, whichever. Can't exactly tell how overcast smoke we have. You guys can see back here though, the mountains are barely visible. Last night after the rain, or yesterday, the smoke had disappeared quite nicely. And of course it's back again. The breeze feels good, but the breeze is also bringing that smoke in. So we do have water here. There's still quite a bit of water in the dam here. I don't know if you guys can see it. But let's get right to the beaver dam. See if I get wet feet. See if my feet stay dry. If I can find my way. I haven't cut the deer flies are out. Oh yeah, there's water in there. Quite a bit of water in there. Hey, let's just see if we can traipse through here without falling down, without getting wet feet. I'm not worried about the ticks. I just don't want to fall in here. Oh yeah, there's the beaver dam there. At this end of the pond. All right. So here's the beaver dam. Right here, water's down a little bit, but not too bad. Okay, beaver house over here. How can I get to that now? This grass has grown so tall in here. Yeah, a little bit of water in here. Back to the trail here. All right. Any ticks? I don't see any yet. Yeah, there's a beaver house right in here. You guys can see it. Okay. And yeah, I don't think I can walk right in right now, not knowing where I'm at. I wait till fall when everything's dead again. The grass is dead. So some nasty weather all over today. I know Edmonton is in for a walk of nasty weather with some large hail. Southern Ontario is also in for some nasty weather today. There were a couple of tornado warnings on last night for the district. One in Uppsala. And I believe there was one for Nipigon, Lake Helen, Rocky Bay area last night as well. And this doesn't help with spawning some nasty weather as well. Dead mouse. Wonder who caught that. Oh, maybe the lawnmower. But big field mouse dead there. So anyway, as I said, I just using the SJ cam. I used the SJ cam this winter out at Sibley for the Sleeping Giant Loppet. I had it set down the trail. I haven't given it much time yet. I was hoping to use it this year on the canoe trips, just because it's got, you can mount onto, you know, your vest. Tripod, same thing. It's a little more durable than the Osmo. I was looking at a DJI Osmo, but they said that they're not quite as tough. Anyway, I will let you folks go. Enough rambling, enough walking. I just thought I'd take y'all for a quick walk. Just to the field here, quick. And just give you guys an update here from Thunder Bay, Ontario, YQT. Take care, folks. Stay safe. Watch out for the other person. The other person may not be watching out for you. 7-3. Take care. Stay safe.